Number 13, which of the following is assessed by an achievement test? Mastery over the subject, learning difficulty, entry knowledge, attitudinal change. So what will be the correct answer here? Achievement test, right? Achievement test. Which of the following is assessed by achievement test? Means when we do achievement test, then what we can know? We can know the mastery over the subject. How much clear we are on a subject, that we can know from the achievement test. So A will be the correct answer here. Next, reliability of the test refers to consistency of test scores, inconsistency of test scores, truthfulness of test scores, or predictability of test scores. So which will be the correct answer? Reliability of the test. Reliability of the test means what? Reliability of the test means consistency of the test scores. This will be the correct answer. Consistency of test scores. How consistent the test is. Based on that, we rely on a test, right? So reliability of the test refers to the consistency of test scores. Next, number 15. Which of the following statement is related to principle of development of an individual? Which of the following statement is related to principle development of an individual? Here options are: development is only qualitative, it is only quantitative, is always cross-sectional, or is both quantitative and qualitative? Here the correct answer will be obviously it is both qualitative and quantitative. Principle of development of an individual is both qualitative and quantitative. Next, number 6, if we see, which of the following is an example of peer learning? Reading the book in the class, listening to the teacher in the classroom, doing assignment with the help of a teacher, or group discussion with the help of a map. Peer learning means what? The word peer itself tells that when we are discussing with our friends or with our classmates, that is peer learning. So peer learning will happen obviously in the fourth option. Group discussion with the help of a map will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Next, number 17. In which stage does the child start to know about permanence of objects? At which time or when the child starts to know about the permanence of an object? Means how the object exists, its permanence is known by the child at which stage? It is in the infancy or the early childhood or later childhood or the adolescent period. When it will happen in the infancy, because the child starts observing the things. So it is a beginning stage. They come to know that these objects are in the existence in this world. So it is the infancy level when the permanence of objects happens. Okay, this is the infancy stage. Next, number 18. Which of the following is more appropriate in case of inclusive education, provision of special school for disabled children, accepting difference and diversity and teaching all students in one school, focusing more on child's weakness rather than abilities, teaching disabled children in a separate classroom of a general school? So here in this question, the question is more appropriate. It is asking we have to find the more appropriate point from these to show that it is an inclusive education. Inclusive means we are including both a physically fit child and also a physically unfit child. Maybe a child is very good or very intelligent, a child is very poor. So each and every child together when they study, that becomes inclusive education. So from these options, which will be the correct one? We have seen accepting differences, diversity, and teaching all students in one school. This is inclusive education. This is the correct answer for number 18. Is it clear?